Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and I'm back with a video to tell you and analyze with you how are stocks working, and what all we can understand from the world of markets. So let's dive in today. स्टार्ट करते हैं. जो वीडियो है इसमें हमको हम पता लगेगा कि कैसे stock है force motor. This is only for educational purposes and not a recommendation, buy or sell recommendation anyhow. So in the month of November you see this huge markup of prices, right, where we see that the stock has moved a long way. You see this thing coming up, right now. You see this influx of volume. First of all, जो हमारा रहता है कि हम कैसे we use volume in our analysis. So you see this huge influx of volume. If I show you, this is around what 239 to 40k of volume, right, and this is going along at a pace of 387. However, if we go bar by bar, I'll show you. So this bar is is right in terms of it has a lot of volume inside it, right, and then this one, the next one, has more volume, but the price didn't go anywhere. So we can expect prices to sort of go sideways or go downwards. So as we see, the stock is now in a range, right. This is what is happening. It's 6501 to 8013. जो प्राइजेस हैं वो एक रेंज में आ चुके हैं. तो आपको अब क्या चाहिए कि ये प्राइस ब्रेक कैसे भी हो और देन हम एंट्री ले पाएँ किसी भी स्टॉक में जिसको हमने फंडामेंटली एनालाइज पहले करा हुआ है. विदाउट फंडामेंटल एनालाइजिंग इट, टेक्निकल्स स्विंग ट्रेड आप कर सकते हो, बट देन वो थोड़ा रिस्की रहता है. यू विल हैव टू चेक द स्टॉक एज वेल दैट इन्वेस्टिंग for the long term. And just an advice from my side that do not trade. It's better to invest for the longer term, again, just for educational purposes. Now we see what has happened. If we make a channel over here, right, from here till here the stock was in a downtrend, but then again, as we discuss, volume came up, and this is how the stock then went from sort of 6500 to 7500. So it's a big volume bar. This is January 25, on the 2nd of January, New Year's, the stock went up. This is again force motors that we are discussing about, right, and then again there was some selling happening. So whenever you see VIX, there is some selling usually that we can confirm it, because the volume that you have, and if you do a relational analysis, you will not get such high volume with low VIX, and the stock then tumble down. If you see, so there was a lot of profit booking that happening at this area. Then again the stock went, no movements, nothing moving further. But then you see slowly what had happened is that then again a upward movement of the stock went up with rising volume. If we see over here, so there is this rising volume and the prices went up. So when there's rising prices and rising volume, you can definitely say that this is an uptrend that is happening. And as we confirmed, we were right that there is a upward trend. So if we had put our entry over here when the stock is actually taking off, when an airplane takes off from a runway, that's when you need to get in, and then you can sort of make that profit and take some profit over here. There were sideways movements. There was only a few of them left, and then stocks went up. So this is how it went, right? And moving ahead. So what we see in this short video is that we can understand that how did the market move, and what all did the market has to offer us. When we see prices moving ahead or crossing the support and resistance, this is the time that we need to get in. So this was a time that we had to take this trade. This bar, if I tell you again, this is the bar that we need to get in, or probably this one. Why? Because we see the price breaking the resistance and then moving up, right? And when we see this on a good volume, we can surely conclude that the stock is in an uptrend, and then we can sort of assess it for the longer term. So if you had, let's say, if you had taken this one at 8435, you would have 16065 as a profit in few months. So a move of how much, around 8900 to sort of 16,000, so that is around 7,000 of profit that we're talking about per share. So which is a good indication of analysis, that analysis is working. But we need to get in when we see these high volume bars coming in. I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe, guys. It really motivates me, and it helps me so that I make more videos. मैं आपके लिए और भी वीडियोस बनाऊं, ताकि हम जो हैं साथ में समझ सकें मार्केट कैसे मूव हो रहा है, कब हमें बाहर रहना है, कौन सा स्टॉक्स जो हैं हमको एंट्री करने हैं. ये सारी चीज़ें आई कैन मेक इट फॉर यू. सो इट रियली हेल्प्स मी एंड मोटिवेट्स मी. सो कीप वॉचिंग, कीप लर्निंग, एंड ऑलवेज बी अ learner, lifelong learner, which is a concept that I really like. Whenever you have time from your job, your whatever that you do in business or anything, etc., always take out time for some self analysis and sit down with yourself and look at where are things happening, and in the markets, if you want to spend some time, understand what's happening, stay away from the noise as far as possible, read selectively, and try to make sense of the market. That's it, guys. Thank you so much, and hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.